Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Dr. Navjot Kaur, Director of Administration at Quest International School, Bathinda, highlighted a paradigm shift towards experiential and student-centric education. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today, we have with us a very special guest. She is Dr. Navjot Kaur, Director of Administration, Quest International School, Bathinda. So, welcome to the summit, ma'am.
Thank you.
How's your experience being here?
Wonderful. Time to Grow Media, every event is phenomenal and the journey has been great.
Right.
And it always feels like home.
That's great to hear, ma'am. So, my first question to you would be, as a school administrator, what does transformative education means to you?
As an education leader, I would say transformative education steps that we are taking nowadays is something related to experiential learning. Most imperatively, when it comes to connecting with kids, more of the student-centric approach, because the traditional rote learning method has gone away long back.
Right.
And in day-to-day life, what we try as school leaders that we need to inculcate student practices, learning practices and teaching practices which is more student-centric, related to experiential learning,
Right.
fostering concept clarity. That is the prime goal.
Okay, great. So how do you make sure that, your administrative decisions are student-centric and they're really going to, be executed in such a way that they help the students at grassroots level?
Absolutely, because see, every decision that we take as school administrators, it needs to promote efficiency, efficacy for the teachers
Right.
to teach, and most imperatively for students to be comfortable, because the first goal of the school is, my school is to have a happy classroom for every
Absolutely.
child, where the creativity gets the wings, they can collaborate, they can foster to, they can promote more of their creative skills into daily practical lives, and most imperatively we focus on critical thinking.
Right.
How we need to add on the inquiry-based learning, problem solving, case studies, day-to-day life experiences, how we can teach children connecting with the day-to-day life experiences, which is very, I think, understandable for the kids to know, because kids nowadays are extremely smart, inquisitive by mind, and they know, they have the power to ask questions.
Absolutely.
And that's what we want them to inquire, to get into problem solving, and that would be the it.
Okay, that's great. So you have been in the leadership role. So what's one leadership lesson or incidents in your journey that has shaped the way you are today?
When I started my career around 8.5 years back, the thing that really touched me was something that, yes, every child is unique. That's what I learned personally. It's everywhere it's written in quotations, in books and all, but yeah, that is a personal discovery that I did. And a teacher's touch is the most imperative in the student's life, because when a child is touched from inside, from the core of his or her heart or soul, there can be drastic changes, phenomenal changes in a child's personality. And yes, this has been my personal experience where I have seen phenomenal changes in one child, not just one, in ample of them, but yes, when I started my career,
Yes.
it was the one, that child is still in my mind, because that's how your entire career is shaped. Your belief systems are shaped. And a teacher's role is most imperative, because we are the front leaders. We as directors, as principals, we are the policy makers. We set the entire environment for the class, for each and every one. And the moral fiber, ethical fiber, this is what I've learned in my journey, that moral and ethical fiber is most imperative to inculcate and to impart the right knowledge to children.
Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your valuable thoughts, and it was great to have you here. I'm sure the long association is going to, go way ahead. So, thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.